Hello YouTube. Back about 3 months ago, I did a video about the Honeywell thermostat. I had heating problems. The house went up to like 90 degrees. It was terrible, believe me. I don't know why the boiler got so hot it would not shut down. It's making me think that the high limit switch on it is not working properly. That would be my best guess. Because there's no way the boiler should have got like as hot as it did. It was creaking and banging and everything else. It scared the shit out of me. But anyway, I had heating problems again on Tuesday. I missed work on Tuesday because of a problem. The circulator pump went bad. So I was lucky enough to have an old circulator down there, same kind of motor. But I couldn't get the coupling inside connected correctly. Like, I don't know, was it a distance thing between the two different motors or what? I'm not sure the total reason behind it. It has me scratching my head. So I decided, okay, if I can't get the coupler in the right way, I'm just going to run it metal to metal. Believe me, it made a hell of a lot of noise. But today I changed it. I actually put a brand new circulator pump in. Everything's fine. Everything's working great again, thankfully. I'm like, oh my God, thank you so much. You know, like to get my heat working properly again. Because, you know, when you wake up in the morning, your house is 50 degrees when it's like so cold out. That really sucks, you know, so. Yeah, so I'll put up the video after this to show you my initial repair that was from Tuesday and how noisy the pump was. I think you'll find it very funny. But hey, it worked. I mean, it was metal to metal. It rang the radiators in my house like bells. You always know when the heat was on. But you know what? I look at it like this. It worked. It was fine until I, can get around to changing it. So I changed it today, and watch this next video I'll put up after this, and if you like, feel free to leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll show you the video now.